to the channel, y'all. It's your boy Kelly B. Hey, I know I've been getting a lot of questions, man, a lot of questions. But first of all, man, I hope everybody having an awesome day, man. I'm trying to get this video done before it get too hot, man. It's hot here, man. Hey, it's supposed to be like, what, 108 today, man? 108. But yeah, the question is, man, what's the numbers, man? Everybody been want to know the numbers that I'm getting out my 128 stage 4 kit, Screaming Eagle kit, y'all. Everybody want to know the numbers, but so I do have a dyno sheet here, and great numbers, I could say, man. Great numbers for the cam that I'm running in here, and the stage 4 kit. Hey, I want to, like I say, I want to thank Matt from Milwaukee Harley Davidson up that way for them sponsoring this build. Harley Davidson for sponsoring this build, first of all. They sponsored this build right here, and I'm grateful and I'm honored that they decided to do it for me, man. Man, y'all just don't know how much joy I feel inside just having them to sponsor this build that I have on this bike here. But yeah, Matt made this all happen for me, and I really appreciate you, man. You just don't know, bruh. Hey, can't wait to see you again on the next adventure, wherever we going. So I want to get all this out the way, and I want to thank my people again at Black Gold Harley Davidson. My dude Matt up there, who did the dyno on my bike. My dude Austin, who did the work on my bike. And some of you might have seen Austin before, but Austin is the one that actually did my stage 2 on there. No issues at all on that bike, y'all. None. When I say none, none. And I'm grateful that, man, when you find good technicians, man, you better use them, man. You know, hey, use them. I just say that, man, because that's the man for you, man. That's why I keep taking my bike back to Black Gold, because people keep asking, why you keep taking your bike to Black Gold? They does a great job to this bike. This whole bike been built by Black Gold. The front forks, everything. Doing my tires. Doing my stage 2, doing my stage 4 kit right here. But man, but let's get to these numbers, man, because everybody been running me down about these numbers. Yeah, I was on the phone with Ride Fit Nation last night and Cycle Fanatic John. Man, wow, we had an awesome conversation, man, last night. Just they wanted to know the numbers. Traveling Tall gave me a call and said, hey man, I just want to know what's the numbers, man. What's the numbers? But y'all, the numbers I'm getting on the bike, y'all. And y'all know I'm running the 2 and the 2 with the tab performance on here as well. So y'all, my numbers, the horsepower is 132, right at 132 horsepower. My torque, y'all, 150, dog. Y'all, when I say this baby will get up and roll right from, hey, be ready when you first hit this throttle. I'm gonna say that because the torque is so responsive. It's oh man, it's unbelievable. And then it just keep pulling. It just keep pulling, y'all. I know you can see a little drop in here where it start dropping, but man, I'm telling you, I didn't feel no drop on this last night. This baby was steady pulling, man. I'm just rolling 5th gear, y'all. Just 5th gear last night, just rolling with the fellas, you know, downtown Dallas and on the freeway, just 5th gear, just 85, 9, I just had it on cruise control. But yeah, man, I'm happy with the numbers, man. I'm grateful with, you know, with the numbers, man. They changed the clutch and the springs, man, on here, man. I really appreciate Matt up in Milwaukee, man, cause like I said, I was gonna try to get the build done anyway, but I didn't think it was gonna be a Screaming Eagle kit, cause you know, I had in back of my mind, I was thinking 119, I was looking at the 124 Furomoto, I was looking at the SNS, but I really wanted this 128 and it happened. But yo, those are the numbers, man. I just want to come to y'all with that. I know a lot of people like, they see my excitement, y'all, when I say this baby will run, and I'm not afraid to pop the clutch. I'm not afraid to pop this clutch, man. This baby came up on me yesterday, leaving the dealership in 2nd gear. That baby came up on me, but just because the torque is so torquey, y'all. You'll love the torque on here. If you love torque, you'll love it. You'll definitely love the torque on here. So the horsepower, I love that too. You know, like when I had my stage 2 on here, y'all, a lot of y'all don't know, I had my stage 2 on here. You know, I got my bike dynoed. I think I was like 104, 117 torque, 104 horsepower. And I did another pull, that was with my Chrome Works. But then I did another pull with my tabs when I got back from Milwaukee, y'all. I did another pull on here, just to pull the numbers. I took it to Black Gold. I lost a few horsepower, but I gained more torque when I put these on. I don't know the difference. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because the bigger breather getting more air, but I'm cool with like I say, I'm cool with the numbers, the horsepower, the torque. And hey man, I don't have a lot to say. It's early Sunday morning. I just want to get this done before your boy go to church. Y'all know me, I go to church. But yeah, I just want to come over here and give everybody the numbers, because they've been hitting me on Instagram. Everybody hit me in the comments, man. But yeah, those are the numbers, man. Yeah, if you like torque, and like I said, I got the 3030 Star Racing 485 cam, and that cam is a torque cam. It's not a horsepower cam, it's a torque cam. So yeah, that's it, baby. And yeah, sponsored by Harley Davidson, Screaming Eagle, Stage 4K. Y'all can see the smile on my face. I can't stop smiling, man. I'm grateful, man, honored, man, that this baby got that on here, man. You know, I'm a smaller YouTube channel, but you know what, man? I love people, and I try to get out, and I try to support everybody, man. That's just me, man. That's just what I do. So, man, but y'all get up, go to church, enjoy your life, man. Stay safe out here on these twos, man, and these threes, because, you know, these people don't see us sometime out here. They don't see us. So y'all be safe till next time, baby. The next grind. I love y'all, man. Y'all have a blessed one. I'm out, baby. Peace, baby. Have a blessed one too, y'all.